Hello guys and welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. In today's video, I will show you how to fill text with an image in PowerPoint. First, open your PowerPoint presentation and go to the slide where you want to add the text filled with an image. Next, go to the Insert tab at the top of the screen and click on Text Box. Draw a text box on your slide and type the text you want. Adjust the font size to make the text large enough for the image to be visible. Use bold, thick font for the best effect. Now go to the Insert tab again and this time click on Pictures. Choose this device to select an image from your computer or use an online source. Locate your image and click Insert to add it to your slide. Resize and position the image over the text so that it completely covers the text you typed. Next, select both the image and the text box. With both the image and the text box selected, go to the Shape Format tab. In the Shape Format tab, look for the Merge Shapes button in the Insert Shapes group. Click on it and select Intersect. This will create a new shape where the text is filled with the image. You can now move and resize the new shape as needed. Finally, review your slide to ensure that the text filled with the image looks the way you want it to. And you're done! If this video helped you, please like and subscribe to Tech Tricks tutorial. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!